Hello people, and it's exam time. I kind of love giving exams, but at the moment I don't know what my brain structure is. It's just in a whirlwind, but I know I can do it and I will. So yes, getting away from the thought of exams, let's talk about April favorites. So starting with hair, I have these things as my favorites because it's exam time. I am not really concentrating on being the most presentable. I just tie my hair up, and I've noticed that these scrunchies do not give any shape to my hair. And usually all those black rubber bands and thin rubber bands, they make your hair look a certain way. They just give shape to your hair. They kink your hair where you've tied them. But scrunchies, they don't. So I got a pack of 3. The third one, obviously I have misplaced it because it's me. And I got these from Forever 21, but I bet you can get such scrunchies everywhere. No need to spend so much at Forever 21. I didn't know at that time. In which ways, yeah, these are my hair favorites. And they look cool as, you know, if you've got them in your hand as well. Again, no makeup, but one thing that I use almost every day is a sunscreen, and the one that I prefer is Lotus Herbals Safe Sun. Now this has an SPF 70 PA+++. I don't think I need this much, but why I picked it up was that it is preservative free, oil free and UV moisturizer, and it has carrot and avocado extract. So I love things which are natural on the skin, and this is. Also, one more reason why I picked it up was I wanted a tinted sunscreen, and that this is. So there's actually no need for foundation ever. If I ever have to do any makeup, even for this video, all I have on is just sunscreen and some powder, and that's it. That's just it. So that's how amazing this is, and I highly recommend this to all of you. Now in body care sort of favorites, I have this Kitchen Lemon Hand Lotion by Bath & Body Works. I know, right? Bath & Body Works. I did not go anywhere. This was gifted to me by an uncle who came from America during January. So he got this, and I was so happy that he got this because this actually works. So that's all we want from a product. We just want it to work. This is the consistency. It's really liquidy, and just that tiny drop does both of your hands. So I bet this is going to last me until his next trip to India, or my trip to some foreign country where I can access Bath & Body Works. But this is my first Bath & Body Works product, and I am very happy with it. Now in fashion favorites, just try to add a French accent to fashion. I have firstly this watch. It's by Eastbridge, and this is what it looks like. This watch reminds me so much of the Michael Kors rose gold watch. So basically, it's exam time. I wanted a simple watch because the one I used was a steel strap fast track watch which had such a tiny dial. But the main reason why I bought it was all of its colors, and it does not have a second hand which goes tick tick. So this was for 8,000, but I got this for 2,700, which is amazing. And this is what it looks like on. Oh, I'm wearing it ulta, but that's to show you. The only books that I have been reading this month have been my textbooks, and no TV shows, no movies really, nothing in that category. But food will always be there. So I recommend this coffee. Now what I do is I carry a thermos and I carry cold coffee in it, because in the 3 hours of time I have noticed that ever since school I have gotten drowsy and I feel sleepy at some point of time in the 3-hour long duration of any exam. So I thought that let's carry a kick of caffeine in a bottle for the exams, and that is why I carry a thermos or a metal bottle so that the teacher does not know what is in there. But yeah, so this one is the Tariero decaffeinated rich hazelnut gourmet coffee. Now I know that caffeine is not really good for your health, so I went for a decaf coffee, but then caffeine is the thing which gives you the kick which makes you wake up. But this has still been, you know, waking me up a little bit, and this is also good for my health. So I got this from Amazon and I really like it. And that is everything I loved. I mean, not everything, but these are the things that I have used in the month of April, more than other things, and I hope to have more interesting bits after this month, because then there'll be no exams and I can make as many videos as I want. So I'm very excited for that time period, and if you liked the video, if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.